welcome to our comprehensive guide on building a $1 million stock portfolio from scratch in just 1 year. While it may sound ambitious, with the right strategies, knowledge, and a disciplined approach, it's possible to achieve remarkable growth in your investments. Let's dive into the steps you need to take to make this goal a reality. First, education is key. Understanding the basics of the stock market is crucial for your success. Start by immersing yourself in financial literature. Consider books like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham and A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton Malkiel. Following financial news outlets and subscribing to investment podcasts can also provide valuable insights. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Next, you'll need to choose a reliable brokerage platform. Look for one that offers low fees, educational resources, and a user-friendly interface. Many platforms offer demo accounts where you can practice trading without risking real money. Opening an account is your first step towards active trading and investing, so take your time to research and select the right fit for you. Once your account is set up, it's time to focus on stock selection. Use screening tools to identify high-potential stocks. Look for companies with strong fundamentals, such as consistent revenue growth, a solid balance sheet, and competitive advantages in their industry. Pay attention to market trends and economic indicators that could impact your investments. Diversification is also key. Spread your investments across various sectors to minimize risk and improve your chances of achieving higher returns. Investing consistently is another critical aspect. Consider implementing a strategy called dollar cost averaging, where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals regardless of market conditions. This approach helps mitigate the effects of market volatility and reduces the impact of timing the market on your overall portfolio. Remember, it's about the long game, not short-term fluctuations. Regularly review and adjust your portfolio based on performance and market conditions. Set aside time each month to analyze your investments, assess how they align with your goals, and determine if any adjustments are necessary. This ongoing evaluation process is crucial to staying on track and optimizing your returns. Additionally, consider setting specific benchmarks for your investments to measure progress effectively. By doing so, you can identify underperforming assets and make informed decisions to enhance your portfolio's overall performance. Stay informed about market trends and economic news that can impact your investments. Follow reputable financial news outlets and consider joining online investment communities. Engaging with other investors can provide valuable insights, different perspectives, and new strategies that could enhance your investment approach. Finally, patience and discipline are your best allies in this journey. Building wealth takes time, and it's essential to maintain a long-term perspective. Avoid the temptation to react impulsively to short-term market movements. Focus on your strategy and stick to your plan. By following these strategies and maintaining your commitment, you could very well be on your way to creating a $1 million stock portfolio within a year. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more investment tips and strategies. Share your thoughts on building a stock portfolio in the comments below, and let us know about your experiences. Thank you for watching, and here's to your financial success.